Welcome to another video session on bomb checking system developed by Gimbal Technologies. In this video, we look at how to generate reports and what kind of reports is being generated. Now we'll click on the reports tab here, and we'll see the report can be generated date-wise and report can be generated month-wise. Right now, let us try to create a report date-wise. So you can select the date. Let's say from 1st January 2023 is there. We can change it to 1st January 2024. Okay, and till today's date, which is 13/3/2024, and I need to choose a path for it to save where it's supposed to save. So right now I'll give in desktop, or I'll give it in D drive. It's better. I'll give it in D drive outside. Okay, so the report will get generated in D drive with a name, what is the company name, and then the start date to end date. I can generate the report in PDF format as well as CSV format. Let me generate in both for you to understand. So I'll just say generate for PDF is generated, and the CSV thing, and I'll say I generate CSV generated. So this is one option. Second option is you can also do by month wise. So here the month is 3/2024. I can select this month itself. Okay, and then choose a path again, and it can again say D drive, and I can say okay. So it will go and then place it in D drive. I'll just say generated and say CSV also is generated. And now we'll see in the D drive whether we have all these files or not. So when I go to D drive here, I can see the files that is got generated, which is 113 to 113 in PDF file, and 1/1/2024 to 13/3/2024 in PDF, and 1/1/2024 to 13/3/2024 in CSV in both the things. And then I also have this one month-wise report also is available here. Let me open the day-wise report. So this transaction details, this report will contain the transaction details, what we have done. So the name is component transaction report, and the recent kit that we have done will be available at the end of the things. So the small components are placed here. The final major kit, which has all the items, has been written in bold. If you see, it has a date, time, and then who did it, and what is the count number, and then GT123 is the operator name, and the kit name, and then the code. The code contains 24 is the year, 03 is the month, and 13 is the date, and then which company it's supposed to be there, and it says 001. This means that's the first kit done on this particular day. Okay, so the numbers can go up to 99999, which is about 19,999 kits. It can be done in a single day. So here we have each and every part number of the kit, and then how many quantities it is there, and then into total weight of the items that has been packed. So this final kit which is there, this is the one which gives a total item put in one single package, and that will be coming in bold to differentiate one kit to the other kit. To differentiate, this is the way the report has been generated. So it will have date, time, operator, batch number, PO number, kit name, when person operator name, and then kit number, serial number, and then part name, quantity, and the weight. Okay, so this is one, and then now we'll see how the CSV will look like. So let me open one of them, and then say file, open, and D drive. Try one CSV files. When I do CSV files, I get here many files, and then out of that, this is my monthly report, this is my daily report. I just open this day report which you have created just now, and then it says that all the details which you saw in the PDF will be available. So here the 13.3 that we did, this is available over here. So you can download either in the form of PDF or in the form of CSV. Now we'll open the monthly format, monthly report. So even that in CSV format is here. So I'll just open it, and then you can see the whole month from the beginning of the month. Date is from this is the date that we started, and the whole month, what are the date, what are the data is there, all the data will come. If you are done in 1st to 30th of that month, whatever the data you have done, everything will come in CSV format. The same thing will be appearing in PDF format as well. I hope this will help you to understand the reporting concept. For the barcode label also, I try to show it here in this one. In this one we have a barcode label printers. So in this one we need to use the barcode label, and the previous barcode that is there, I try to scan it. When I try to scan it, if you see, whatever the scanned number it is there, it will come over here. So whatever the number is here displayed here is 2403 13 SFL 0002, and same number is appeared here. This can be done using barcode scanner. Once this number appears, it pulls out from the database what are the different kits. We just have to print it. I'll just say print, and then this can be used for reprinting. The whole kit can be, the label can be reprinted again in case the previous label has got damaged. This is I hope how to generate report and how to generate reprint the barcode has been clarified now. Hope this helps. Thanks.